In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in PDFgear. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and you want to click on Protect. And from here, it says Signature. Click on that and then click on Create Signature. Now, here you have three options. You could add a picture by clicking over here and selecting one from your images. So, for example, if you've actually done a signature and written it down on a piece of paper, you can go and, of course, put in the image over here. You could also remove the background and use that as your signature. That's the first way. The second way is to go to type, and you could just type in your signature over here, and it's going to basically allow you to, of course, use that as a signature. You could also change the font up here, top right. You could do whichever font you actually prefer over here, and if you click on OK, you can use that one, or you could write one yourself by first selecting how big you want it to be or how thick, and then you could go ahead and, of course, just type in whatever you want. For example, if I do instant over here, which is the name of the channel, instant how-to. There we go. Let's say this is my signature. I could go and click on OK, and there we go. I can now place the signature wherever I want, like in here, and then you'll be able to resize that as well, like this, and of course move it around and place it wherever you want it to be. So that's how to add a signature. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.